Then friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well. So dear friends, today I am going to carry forward your syllabus and going to discuss class 9th mathematics chapter 7 triangles. In this we are studying the exercise solution of the sums of exercise 7.1, and in that we have completed till question number 5. So number 6 we are going to discuss here right now. So friends, you just do well and take the practice well. Just see in this figure it is given of this question. What is given? Just see in figure, AC is equals to AE. AC is equals to AE is given. AC is equals to AE and AB is equals to AD also, by symbol it is written, and angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. This is given, so that BC is equals to D. We are going to prove it, right? So first of all, the thing which is given, you need to write. Given that from figure these things are written, this you have to write down in the given, and after that to prove क्या करना है आपको? You are going to prove that what? Prove that BC is equals to D. BC is equals to D we are going to prove, and then afterwards we move on the proof, right? So for proof of this we have to consider the triangles ABC and triangle AD. So consider triangles ABC and triangle ADE. These two triangles we are comparing. कौन कौन सा ट्रायंगल लिया हमने? ट्रायंगल ABC लिया, and after that triangle ADE we have taken, right? Chalo, now let us compare these two triangles. In ABC, side AB of this triangle will be equals to, अब इस triangle ADE में आते हैं, AB is equals to AD which is given in this triangle. So AB is the side of this triangle, AD is the side of this triangle, and reason is given these two sides are equal, right? Afterwards we have to come on this side AC of the triangle ABC. So AC is equals to AE of this triangle. This is also given. Right friends? Okay. Now let us move on the third thing which is given. Since angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. BAD is equals to angle EAC which is given. Now just see, this triangle BAD is related to this triangle, and this triangle EAC is related to this triangle. They are equal also. हम क्या करते हैं, इन दोनों ही एंगल में ये एंगल ऐड कर देते हैं, मीन्स एडिंग एंगल DAC in both side. Okay, so therefore it can be written as angle BAD plus angle DAC in this, and this side also angle EAC plus angle DAC. We have added this angle DAC to both side, right? Okay, so if in any equation you are adding the equal quantity, so both the sides are again will be equal, right? तो चलो देखते हैं इन दोनों एंगल्स को ऐड करने के बाद होता क्या है. What will happen after adding these two equations? Now this angle plus this angle becomes angle BAC. Sum of these two angles can be written as together angle BAC, and sum of these two angles together can be written as angle DAE, right? अब भी देखते हैं, BAC मीन्स दिस एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू DAE मीन्स दिस एंगल. नाउ दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. पहले तो हमने दोनों ट्रायंगल में क्या देखा, देयर आर टू साइड्स आर इक्वल and this angle also came equal and this angle is included by these two sides. Just see, BAC is included by AB and AC or not? BAC, this angle is included by AB and AC, and DAE is also included by this angle. DAE is also included by AD and AE. Therefore these two triangles are congruent by side angle side, because two sides and included angles are there. So you can say that triangle, therefore triangle BAC, you are writing BAC is congruent to triangle. Now BAC, you have started with B and then taken A, so you need to start this triangle with D, A and E, D A and E. This A is included angle in both the triangles by side angle side congruence rule, right? Now we have written in the correct form of that correct order corresponding parts. So let us compare and see that you are going to prove BC. So BC is the first and third letter of this triangle. So as first and third letter of this triangle you have taken will be equals to the first and third letter of this triangle also. BC is equals to D. BC is equals to D. This you are going to prove by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Right friends? I hope you all are understood the exercise. Solution of very few questions I am giving you daily. So you need to revise it properly and write in your notebook. Right friends?